Medicare started 4 decades ago and boasted a strong selling point.
And the cheapest, simplest and fairest health insurance scheme Australia's ever had.
But today, many say it's outdated.
There's been years and years and years of neglect of the Medicare system.
The average out-of-pocket cost to see a GP has climbed to more than $41.
I don't go until I really have to because money's on my mind.
It just makes it so difficult.
The number of clinics bulk billing has dropped by 11% in the past year to fewer than 1 in 4 clinics.
Which in this case was largely driven by 514 GP clinics nationally switching from bulk billing to private billing.
Medicare rebates haven't changed despite inflation. They were frozen nearly a decade ago.
Everything has just really gone up, yet the rebate has not increased in any way.
The federal government has announced it would triple the incentive for doctors to bulk bill, particularly vulnerable groups.
Billions of dollars in new investments to try and turn this around.
But GPs are hopeful there will be a complete shake-up this year and that funding in May's budget will help. For the millions of Australians who can't afford healthcare, many have no option but to go to emergency departments, and that's putting more strain on public hospitals and frontline workers.
We need to take this as a dire warning of the future of healthcare in the country.
Angelique Opie, 7 News.